How to log in Paramount Plus. Paramount Plus login not working. 1. Paramount Plus login. 1. Access http://www.paramountplus.com via one of your browsers. 2. Install then run Paramount Plus for iPhone/iPad/Android/tablet app. 3. Install then run Paramount Plus for Apple TV/Android TV. 4. Install then run Paramount Plus for Roku app. 2. Troubleshoot Paramount Plus login not working issue. 2.1 Paramount Plus login not working on website/desktop. Check your internet connection. Restart your modem and device. Ensure you are using the correct email address and password. Make sure you are using a supported browser. Use the incognito mode. In your browser. Updating the Paramount Plus app. You should also try to clear your browser cache and data. Uninstall and reinstall the Paramount. Plus app. 2.2 Paramount Plus login not working on TV/Roku. Try clearing your cache/data on your device. Pat. System power system restart.